My cousin had a lot of back pain until he tried this, solved in 3 weeks. He suffered from sciatica, arthritis, and back pain, but this little-known little trick took it away. Coming from a seed with the same name, sunflower oil is quite beneficial for the body and to relieve many aspects of our body. This oil has proven to be one of the greatest secrets kept in natural health, since its high content of fatty acids, especially renalic acid, makes it a great source of benefits. Among the benefits that this wonderful natural oil contains, one of them is the ability it has to calm certain pains. It also has other aesthetics, that is, moisturizes the skin, grow eyelashes and eyebrows, also works as a remedy for constipation because it is a natural laxative and has antiviral properties. In this video you will discover that these are not their only benefits, since they can also work to calm pains such as sciatica, back and discomfort caused by arthritis. Now, discover how we should use it to soothe these pains in a super simple way thanks to the oil. Before continuing, it is necessary to remember that sunflower oil can be toxic if it is administered in a bad way. For this reason you have to be alert to any change or side effect. As for the internal benefits, when ingesting sunflower oil we can take advantage of its properties to relieve gastrointestinal problems. It also strengthens the immune system. Thanks to its antiviral properties, it is also used abroad for its analgesic, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits, making it the perfect pain reliever for back pain especially. Another benefit is that it helps to remove scars and any other imperfection on the skin. To relieve the pain, all you have to do is rub the area of pain with the oil. In a short time you will start to feel better, painless and calmer.